Hello, and welcome to this quick walkthrough on how to download your beautifully crafted design from Canva for digital use. Plus, I'll shed some light on the different file types suitable for digital and print purposes, ensuring you make the perfect choice every time. Firstly, let's find our way to the download feature. Look towards the top right-hand corner of your Canva screen and click on Share, then choose Download. You're already halfway there. For digital use, such as sharing on websites or via emails, JPEG or PNG are your best options. JPEG is quite the all-rounder, perfect for a mix of colors and keeping file sizes manageable, ideal for online viewing. PNG, with its support for transparent backgrounds, is excellent for maintaining crisp edges and details, great for graphics and logos. Now, you might notice PDF as an option too. This format is typically for print purposes, ensuring your design maintains its quality and layout on paper. There's more info on PDFs and print in a separate video, so if that's what you need, check that out in the playlist. Once you've chosen JPEG or PNG, depending on your needs, if you have more than one page in your document, the next step is to select which page or pages you want to download. Click here to see which are selected. The default is all pages selected. When I sell templates or printables, I often do different versions of the same item to give you more options. So this is a really important step to make sure you are downloading only exactly what you want. Once you have selected the page or pages you require, click Download. If prompted, choose where you'd like to save your file. If not, it'll automatically save to your default location, often the Downloads folder on your device. And just like that, you're equipped to download your designs for the digital world. The right file type ensures your work is presented at its very best, so it's always good to know your options. Thank you for joining me today. Happy editing!